I'm currently on my way to work, but I just wanted to take a moment to remind you to stop apologizing for things that are out of your control. If it's raining, that is not your fault. If someone drops something, that is not your fault. It's okay to feel bad for what someone else is going through, but stop taking responsibility for something that was absolutely out of your control. Now don't forget to smell the pine, blow the dandelions. I also wanted to take a quick second to show you my outfit because I love, love, love this skirt.